Hi, Michael from Masseuse Massage. Today I'm here to talk to you about the ultimate Chiro massage chair, by far one of the most popular chairs that we've ever had. In this video I'm going to just explain to you some of the awesome massage treatments, the manual modes that you can select using the ultimate Chiro. Now there's 5 of them available. You've got kneading, which is exactly like the deep tissue massage that you get from your favorite therapist. You've got tapping, which penetrates the muscles using a rhythmic motion. And then you've got a combination of the two, kneading and tapping. The 4th is Shiatsu, which applies pressure to particular points on the body to relieve aches and pains. The last is flapping motion, which basically reduces fatigue and tiredness in your muscles. Within all of those massage programs, you can also adjust the speed of them, and on some, you can adjust the width of where the massage hands are working on your back. It will display which options you have as you select those modes. Now, the other really cool thing is you can actually pinpoint the exact area or the pain area that you've got in your body to let that manual mode work on that particular spot. So when you first select a manual massage treatment, it will show you a little torso here with a pinpoint on it. That will basically be in the position of wherever the massage hands were on your back at the time you selected it. If you select again this back stretch button, that will then move the massage zone to a 20 centimeter zone, so that in the exact massage mode that you selected, the speed and the width that you selected, it will do that in the exact spot for 20 centimeters up and down. In addition, you press it one more time and it will do the massage mode, speed, width, full body from your head to your toe. The other thing you can do when it is on that pinpoint in the torso up here, you can change the position of it. So you have these arrows, you hold them down, you can move them up your back towards your neck or back down the other way. And then you can adjust the back stretch like so. So that is how you use the manual massage treatments on the ultimate Chiro. Enjoy the massage.